Hi everyone, my name's Taylor Strong and I'm a current dietetic intern at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania. Today I'm discussing where our food comes from and the different types of animal products that come from a few common farm animals. This video is made for preschool age children, ages 3 to 4, and is designed for both the parent and the child to watch together. I'm first going to present a short introduction to the parents so they can better understand the lesson and help guide their child through the activity. After, I will speak to the children and guide them through the activity. Let's get started. It has been reported that approximately 17% of children and adolescents aged 2 to 19 years old in the US battle obesity. In fact, childhood obesity rates are approximately 3 times higher than they were 30 years ago. Therefore, childhood and adolescent overweight and obesity are serious health problems in the United States today. A well-rounded diet focusing on fruits and vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products is an ideal way for parents to help their children combat childhood overweight and obesity. One way to help contribute to your child's understanding and implementation of a well-rounded diet is to introduce them to the ways we grow our foods, or where exactly our food comes from. One study researching this idea implemented a farm-to-school nutrition education program where they taught 2 30-minute nutrition education lessons to students and took them on a tour of a farm. Surveys were conducted before and after the intervention to assess the students' nutrition knowledge, fruit and vegetable consumption behavior, and awareness of farms and farmers. The results showed that the students' knowledge of fiber, vitamins and minerals, vegetable consumption, and farming increased. Educating children on how food is grown or where our food comes from can help create an interest and positive relationship with healthier foods. This lesson was designed in order to help your child better understand where our food comes from, facts about our food, and what products come from certain animals. This activity requires a copy of Where Our Food Comes From sorting worksheet, the Animal and Produce cutout document, and Animal Products cutout document. These documents will need printed off, and the cutouts will need to be cut with scissors to use for the activity. Please help your child with cutting out the pictures. You can pause the video while you print off the documents and gather the appropriate materials needed to complete the activity. You'll need all the listed documents, a writing utensil, and scissors. For the first part of the activity, children will place the animals, fruits, or vegetables from the Animal Produce cutout document into the appropriate areas on the Where Our Food Comes From sorting worksheet, depending on where each item is found or grown. Please cut out all animals, fruits, and vegetables before beginning the activity. For the second part of the activity, no worksheet is needed. You can use free table or floor space to sort items in the second part of the activity. Children will place the animals to one side and the animal products on another. We will pick one animal together at a time, and children will be asked to match which animal products come from that one animal. Please cut out all animal products before beginning the activity. Do you have everything you need? If so, let's get started. This next portion of the video will be addressed to the kids. Feel free to pause the video at any moment to allow for you and your child to have enough time to complete the activity. Hello everyone, how are you today? That's great! Are you ready to learn where our food comes from and how it's grown? It's very interesting. Let's get started. First, grab your Where Does Our Food Come From sorting worksheet. This is the one with a picture of a barn and a field. Go ahead and write your name on the line here. Next, grab all your cutout animal, fruit, and vegetable pictures and place them in front of you so you can see them all at once. Now you're going to place all of these animals, fruits, and vegetables where they belong, either in a barn or a field. For this activity, we have a few pictures to sort. Say them with me as I point to them. A goat, cow, chicken, pig, strawberry, watermelon, carrot, onion, and broccoli. First, let's pick up the chicken. Do you know what noise a chicken makes? Good. Do you know where the chicken belongs? Go ahead and place it where you think this chicken belongs. That's right, in the barn. We want to make sure our chickens are nice and safe, so they go inside the barn. Sometimes chickens are also placed in areas called chicken coops as well. Next, let's pick up the carrot. Where is a carrot usually grown? Go ahead and place it where a carrot grows. In the field. That's correct. Carrots are usually grown in fields and grow under the ground. Let's grab the pig next. Do you know where this pig belongs? Go ahead and place it where you think it belongs. That's right, in the barn. Now what noise does a pig make? Let's hear it. Oh wow. Do you know that pigs have a great sense of smell? They are also very smart animals. Let's pick the strawberry next. Where are strawberries grown? That's right, in the field. Strawberries grow on small shrubs, usually close to the ground. Strawberries are a sweet-tasting fruit that has lots of vitamins and minerals to keep us healthy. Let's grab the cow next. Now what noise does a cow make? Good! Where does this cow belong? That's right, in the barn. Did you know cows can weigh up to 1,000 pounds? That's a very big animal. What about broccoli? Where does broccoli belong? That's right, broccoli is grown in a field, and it looks like this when it's growing. Broccoli is a great source of fiber. Fiber helps our bodies digest food better. Let's try the watermelon next. Where does the watermelon belong? That's right, watermelon goes in the field. Watermelon grows on top of the ground in fields. Watermelon is a fruit made of mostly water, which is how it got its name. Do you like watermelon? Here's the goat. Where does this goat belong? That's right, in the barn with the rest of the animals. Now what noise does a goat make? A goat's sound is actually called a bleat and is used so goats can talk to each other. Baby goats have a unique call that helps their mother recognize them. Lastly, we have an onion. Where does this onion go? That's right, in the field. Onions grow on the ground and need to be dug up. Onions can be found in a variety of colors. Some onions are white, yellow, green, brown, red, and purple, and they all taste a little different. Great job! You've placed the animals, fruits, and vegetables in the right areas. Animals usually live in a barn, but are also sometimes seen outside in pastures so they can graze on the grass to feed themselves. Fruits and vegetables in the store are usually grown on large farms. Each fruit and vegetable grows a little differently. Some grow under the ground, on top of the ground, or on vines, bushes, or trees. There are still so many animals, fruits, and vegetables to learn about. Let's move on to the second part of the activity. You can clear your area of the worksheet, fruits, and vegetables. You will only need the 4 animals and the animal product cutouts for this activity. Please put the animals together on one side so you can see them all, and place all the animal products on another side so you can see them all too. We have a few more pictures to sort. Say them with me as I point to each one. Are you ready? We'll start with the animals first. We have a goat, cow, chicken, and pig as our animals. Here we have ham, a wing, milk, egg, bacon, a pork chop, cheese, and butter as some of our animal products. Great! We're going to pick one animal at a time together, and you are going to pick which products come from that animal. We'll place the animal right here, and then we'll place the animal products right next to it. Let's start with the cow first. Can you tell me what foods come from a cow? Pick up the pictures you think come from a cow and place them next to the cow. Good job! A cow can give us milk, cheese, and butter. These are known as dairy products, and they can help us build strong bones. Cows can also give us hamburger, steak, or yogurt, just as a few more examples. Now let's put everything back where it belongs. Let's try the chicken next. What foods do we get from a chicken? Place the pictures next to the chicken. Good job! We get eggs from a chicken, and we get wings too. How do you like to eat your eggs? I like mine scrambled. Chickens can also give us chicken nuggets or chicken tenders. Chicken is a lean source of meat, meaning it doesn't have a lot of fat, which is really healthy for us. Let's place everything back where it belongs. What about the pig? What types of food does a pig give us? Go ahead and place the pictures next to the pig. Correct! A pig gives us ham, a pork chop, and bacon. Pig meat is called pork. Ham, bacon, and pork chops are all pork products. Let's go ahead and place everything back where it belongs. Lastly, let's find the goat. This one may be a little bit more tricky. Do you know what types of foods goats can give us? Place the pictures next to the goat. Good! Goat products aren't as commonly eaten as the other animals, but goats can give us milk, cheese, and even butter. Goats have udders and can be milked to give us all these products, just like cows. Goats can also provide us meat as well. Great job at matching what animals give us certain foods and where our food is grown. I hope you were able to learn something new today. Next time you eat, think and try to identify where your food may have come from.